Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Scallop token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Scallop is a next generation decentralized finance protocol built on the SCA blockchain, offering a comprehensive suite of financial services including lending, borrowing, automated market making, and assets management. Developed by Scallop Labs, a team with expertise in DeFi, cybersecurity, and fintech. Scallop has garnered support from prominent investors such as CMS Holdings, Sixth Man Ventures, KuCoin Labs, and Meston Labs. Notably, it is the first DeFi project to receive an official grant from the SCA Foundation, underscoring its institutional grade quality and robust security. The platform features a dynamic money market that supports high yield lending and low fee borrowing, catering to both retail and institutional participants. Scallop enhances liquidity through its integrated and provides seamless cross-chain transactions via its bridge and swap interface. Scallop project institution rating is 4. Scallop token total supply is 250 million and circulating supply is around 161.09 million SCA token. SCA token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bybit, KuCoin, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% up. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.